Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to link your JP Morgan account to Quicken. If you're tired of manually entering transactions and want to streamline your financial tracking, this guide is for you. Quicken is an awesome tool for budgeting and monitoring your money, and connecting it to your JP Morgan Chase bank account makes everything sync up automatically. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a few prerequisites. Make sure you have a JP Morgan Chase online banking account set up and active. You'll also need Quicken installed on your computer, whether it's the desktop version or the latest app. Oh, and keep your login credentials handy, but remember to handle them securely. Step 1. Open Quicken and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Tools or Accounts menu. Look for something like Add Account or Online Services. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. In the Add Account section, search for JP Morgan Chase or Chase Bank. Quicken has partnerships with many banks, so it should pop up easily. Select it from the list. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter your JP Morgan online banking username and password. Double check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Quicken might ask for additional verification, like a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Go ahead and approve that. Step 4. Once authenticated, Quicken will connect to your JP Morgan account and start importing your data. This could take a minute or two, depending on your transaction history. Review the imported accounts, like checking or savings, and map them if needed. A quick tip: if you run into issues, like connection errors, make sure your bank's website is up and running, and check Quicken's settings for any firewall blocks. It's also a good idea to update Quicken to the latest version for smoother integration. There you have it, you've successfully linked your JP Morgan account to Quicken. Now, you can enjoy automated updates, better budgeting, and less hassle in your financial life. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.